guys, welcome back to Owen and his bros, and we are back with another video. And we haven't done a video since the summer.
With Ryan video.
Yeah, Ryan Toys Review. Show them the package, Owen. We went to Toys R Us today, and we got the new Ryan Toys Review package. So shout out to Ryan Toys Review. And do you want me to read who could be in here?
Sure.
We have Kung Fu Ryan and Board. Yeah, we will open it. Robot Ryan and Robot.
I'll open it by myself.
Yeah, you will. Racer Ryan and Trophy. Gus and Pizza. Mo and Cupcake. Red Titan and Power Gauntlet. And then the ultra rare one is the Combo Panda and Controller. So we're probably hoping to get the Panda. But there you can take a look.
So we're hoping for the ultra rare.
Those are all the things you can get. But I think it is time for the open. This is the series 1 of this pack.
Are you ready for
We're
it?
very lucky.
Are you ready for this?
So I think we should get some scissors probably.
Yeah. I'll get the scissors.
We're gonna go get some scissors. Alright guys, we're back and Matt and Owen is ready. He has the scissors. And alright, now you can probably rip it. Thank you. Yeah. There you go. Alright, are you ready to find out? Forky, are you ready to find out? What's it gonna be? We got the Kung Fu Ryan. Show them. The Karate Ryan. And what does it come with? It comes with a board.
Take them out and show them.
That is cool.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
Yeah, let's take them out.
Take them out, boards. You want to show them? What, man? Now let's
show them the board inside. I think that's it because the board comes with that.
It also comes with the packet.
A checklist.
Yeah, so we're gonna, as you see, we got this one. It's the Karate Ryan. So we're gonna check that off, and then hopefully Owen will get more, and we can do more videos.
And we can hopefully get the full roster.
And the combo smoothie.
Yeah, the Combo Panda. Come here so they can see you. Look at that cute face. So I think that's the Owen the Owen and Bros video for today.
And this is Spider-Man.
Yeah.
And this is special guest. This is our friend. And this is our friend Forky. And this is our baby Spider-Man.
Okay, and again, thank you to Ryan Toys Reviews for making this.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully we'll have something like that someday.
And we have another video about. We have another video about. And we have another video this champion.
And hopefully we'll make more videos with the Ryan, right?
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.
Bye. Like this video.
Owen and his bros out.
Bang. Bang.